welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing our with Kiki. Say hi, Kiki.
Hi, Kiki.
No, I meant to say hi to the people watching us.
No.
For real?
Yes.
Anyways, I'm gonna teach her how to draw a rainbow.
Aw, boring.
It's not boring, you have so much fun.
I want to draw banana.
Okay, we can draw a banana and a rainbow. How about that?
Okay.
Okay, let's get started. Oh wait, I need water. One sec, Kiki, I'll go get some water.
What? Oh, they look so nice. I wanna taste them. Maybe this color. This color looks... No, banana color. Okay, dip. I'm just gonna lick it. This sweet and yummy. Oh, she's coming. I have to sit down. Oh, that was delicious. She's coming. Okay, just have to lick my face. Nothing happened.
So, I'm gonna put the water down. So we're gonna start with, why is the yellow wet? Oh my. Kiki, you're not supposed to eat the paint.
It's delicious.
You're gonna have diarrhea. Oh,
Diarrhea? What's diarrhea?
it's disgusting of your poopy.
Oh, I like poopy.
Okay, now I have to get a wipe for your face. Do not move. I'm watching you.
I'm a little bit thirsty. I'm gonna just drink that. Oi! Oh, Daisy! Oh, I have to hide this. Oh no, she's gonna go mad. Oh dear, I'm so crazy. Okay, just gonna put that paper here. Oh, I'm so scared. I can hide now. Okay, guys, don't tell where I'm at. I'm just gonna hide. Oh dear. Just gonna run quickly. I think I'm gonna go in this fridge. Okay, just gonna open. Oh, I think I could. I think I have some space in here. I'm just gonna squish in here. It's so nice and chill in here. Oh, I see some ice cream. Oh, okay.
And back, Kiki. What is that? I told you not to move. Oh, it's wet. Oh my. Kiki, you're in big trouble. Kiki, where are you? You're hiding. Oh, she's not underneath the table. Not in there either. Nope, not in there.
Good.
What is that?
Oh, it's so cold. Help me. It's cold.
Rah! Oh, Gallagher, you're freezing.
Oh, it's so cold.
You're so cold. No art for you today. That's probably causing mischief.
Oh,
It's not my fault. Now you're gonna have a yellow mouth. Are you happy? Oh, now you're acting crazy. You have to go for a nap, sweetie. You have to go for a nap, so hopefully you'll be nice when you wake up. Oh dear. She's being a little weird today.
I just can't sleep. I think I'm hungry. That pain is disgusting now. I need some food. My tummy's like grumbling. I need some chocolate. I know where's the chocolate. I just gonna sneak downstairs. Get some chocolate. I just have to be very, very quiet. Okay, step by step. Little step by step. Claire can go now. Oh, these are stairs. Okay, I'm just gonna go anyways. Oi. How can I get out of these? Oh, my neck. Oh, that's much better. Oi. Okay, she's not yet. I can't see her. Okay, chocolate. I can smell chocolate. Okay, one more. This is gonna be my last one, I promise. Oh, I had so many, but that's gonna be last one. I want to start. So good. Oh, I'm so full. I need some water to drink. That looks like a yummy water. I'm just gonna try to drink this. Oop. Oh, that is disgusting. Yeah. Okay, there's nobody in the kitchen. I'm going in the kitchen. Oh, what is this? Smells good. It looks like a toilet. Will I sit on it? What do you think? I'm just gonna sit on this little gingerbread man house. Oi! Oi! Ow! Oh no! Oh no, what happened? Oh my gosh. I think nobody will know because I'm asleep now. So if I'm asleep, it's not me done this. So I just gonna I don't know what to do. I don't know. Oh, this is a hammer. Oh, what should I do? What should I do with this? I think I should smash it so nobody will see anything. So nobody will know that something was like nothing was here. Just nothing. There you go. There you go. Okay, bye. I'm done. I'm tired. And I'm not feeling that well. Oh dear. Oh, I hear mommy coming. I have to go back to bed now. Quickly. Shh. I have to go check on Kiki if she's still in bed. Oh my god, she's sleeping so.
What is that smell? Oh. It must be the paint. I have to change her stinky clothes. Wakey, sweetie. I have to change your diaper.
Mommy, I don't poo-poo.
Yes, that's why I'm changing it. Okay, I'm gonna place you down, okay?
Yes, I don't poo-poo, Mama.
Okay.
You stinky. That's not me, Stinky. That's you.
Hey, Kiki.
Mama stinky too.
Yes, everybody will be soon.
Oh, the stink. Ooh, foo foo foo.
Oh. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready?
Ooh.
Oh no! Yuck! Oh, Kiki! Oh!
Ay, ay, oy, ay, oy. Stinkiness. Ooh.
It's okay, sweetie. Everything will be fine. Yes! It's a big explosion, but it's gonna be fine. I'm in charge. Oh, you're going in the bin straight away. Oh, nice and clean.
I feel so nice and clean. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Kiki.
I love you.
I love you too. You've been so good. Do you want to go and do some fun stuff? Since you've been such a good girl. What is that in your mouth? Is that chocolate in your mouth?
Oh, she got me.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. Bye, guys!